Hello, and you might be wondering what is located behind my back. Well, this is just a regular street. Now, this is a very busy road right here. You can see there are a lot of cars. You got some trees right here, and this wall right here also. And you might be wondering what is behind this wall. Well, we're gonna have a look. This is the most original house in Las Terrenas. That was built by an architect from New York City. This is a fantastic building. I call these types of properties the designs of madmen. This architect was crazy. This is a very unusual house. This is a very unusual style for Las Terrenas. It's very original. In this design, we have a mix of the nature of natural elements within the house itself. So let's go have a closer look. Here you can see we got some cactuses right here. Everything, this is the entrance itself. A lot of tropical plants. It's as if you're in your own little private garden. Right here you can see this is the house itself. It's fantastical here. And I just want to help you experience this atmosphere so you can see for yourself what it's like in here. Very hard to give you exactly what I am seeing right now by video, but I hope you are able to just absorb all of this in. Just appreciate the way this house was built so that none of the fauna, none of the plants would be harmed and they would grow naturally with the house. So all these plants were here before the house and they grow naturally with the house. The house protects them, so the house itself is like within a mini forest. Here on the ground, this is the ground, this is the floor itself. We see stones here. There's like trees and everything here. So right here to our right is the garage space. Here you have all your necessary storage space for your garage tools, etc. Now I am going a little bit ahead of myself, but I must say that the surface area of this house is 4,736 square feet. And you also have 3 floors. And I'll tell y'all guys the price a little bit later, but you will be pleasantly surprised. Don't pay attention to the noise on the background. It's just the boy playing in the backyard on the drums. So you can see by the layout right here, it's as if we're outside, but not outside. Like we took the secret passageway and we're in this little enclave. And here we have our grill, our barbecue. A lot of greenery right here. And this is all fantastic right here. And right here we have our swimming pool. The pool is literally right almost in the kitchen itself. And I would like for you guys to just have a look at the ceiling above us. It's open. We're fully surrounded by trees, the jungles, the greenery, everything. It's just open. This is, by the way, the studio living room. You have this feeling as if you're in an open type bar or restaurant. Thing is made of natural materials, and this is a loft type style design. For those who love the loft style, this is your pick right here. Like I said, everything is made of natural materials, wood, stone. And also right here to our right, we have the guest bathroom. And we'll soon have a look at the bedrooms and you will be surprised. So here we also have a wooden countertop. Everything's made out of wood. The water is running. Everything works here, so that's fine. So this is all cool. I'm personally very surprised at the way this house is built and laid out. And here is our kitchen. It's literally laid out like a bar. So here you can see for yourself, we have this big, massive mirror right here hanging on the wall. It's just very big and spacious here. And here we have our gas stove, our gas oven. You literally feel as if you're located in some sort of bar or restaurant. And this is the first floor. And now let's go upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms and the living space itself. So here we're going up on a concrete staircase. I mean, it's as if we're located in the cellar or basement, but we're actually going up, not down. And here we are on the second floor. And let's see what we have here now. Here we have bedroom number 1. Ta-da! Just look at how many windows you have here. Now, if you have been paying attention to the real estate I've been showing you guys on my channel, here in the Dominican Republic, a lot of the house designs have smaller windows, more of a modern style. I don't really get this myself. This is more of a European tradition, you know, all this small window design. But here in the Dominican Republic, it's warm year-round. You don't need any warming or heating. I believe this is the right thing to do. You need big windows here. Just have a look for yourself, my friends. You literally have no walls. You're completely surrounded by windows and natural sunlight. Have a lot of natural lighting from 3 sides of the room itself. And here, of course, you have your bed. Just imagine for a moment that you're laying in this bed and you wake up and you see this greenery and this forest surrounding you. Very peaceful, very quiet here. You don't really need air conditioning here. However, there is an AC unit, so don't worry. It's so cool here, especially considering the way the house is built in the shade, how it's well thought out. In the end, you really don't need air conditioning here. It is naturally cool in itself. So you would just like literally wake up, look, and see down here everything you see. This is the view itself. You can look down, see the pool, how everybody's cooking. Kids are running around playing and just waking up and taking this all in. Here you can open up the window and have this greenery right here in front of you. These tropical plants. You can look out and call out to your significant other, "Hey, babe, could you please cook me an omelet and make me a coffee?" I'm just joking, but still, you get the idea. Maybe your significant other can be up here and they can call you out and say, "Hey, babe, could you make me a coffee?" And bring it up here. All in all, I must say, this is a very original design and layout. I am surprised myself. However, this is for specific tastes. This design is not for everybody. I'm shooting this video for you guys so that you can understand the different types and styles of property there are here in the Dominican Republic. Also, here we have the bathroom, and you have a window right here. You literally are taking a shower with a view of the forest. Don't worry, nobody will see you from the streets. These are reflecting windows, but you can see everybody out. And like I said, an American built and developed this home. Now this developer had very interesting fantasies and thoughts about how to build this house. And here you can see we have a lot of lighting here, so that works. Right up here, and here you have these sinks, and I think they're pretty cool. And I actually first time see this type of drainage system. Of course, the countertop itself is made out of wood, which I also think is a very good design. That's what I like. Everything's natural. Everything is made from natural materials. You also have this cool, refreshing air. And it's just wonderful. And let's go keep on looking at what we have. Have a look at the next bedroom, and I want you to pay attention. All the walls here are made out of concrete. You're literally walking around here in the house, and it's just very cool, and I think it's because of that. And here we have bedroom number 2. Just humongous surface area. I don't remember the surface area for this specific bedroom. Somewhere from 215 to 269 square feet. It's a huge bedroom. You can decorate it in any way you want. Just look, your whole wall is nothing but windows. So your whole house is just draped in natural light. Plus, it's in the shade. There's a lot of natural light specifically because of this design and the layout. And again, here we have our bathroom. Everything is just in monstrous proportions. You got a big mirror. And of course, everywhere you have the windows. Like I said, instead of walls, you got windows. You can literally either use the bathroom or take a shower, and you have this wonderful view in front of you. With full privacy. Nobody can see you, but you can see everybody. And also, I would like you guys to have a look at the separate terrace that this bedroom has all unto itself. So it's about a couple hundred square feet. Here you can spend time with your friends, your family, sit here, have a cup of coffee. It has an open layout. You have a view right into the forest. All in all, it's just wonderful here. Plus, from this terrace, you can also see the swimming pool and everything down in the inner courtyard. You can literally be in different parts of the house and still know what is going on all over the house and be up to date on all the ongoings within your family. I believe this is a wonderful design and layout, and the fact that it's made out of all natural materials this here also is just perfect. As you can see here, this roof is made out of all wood and also lets in some sunlight. And at the same time, it gives you the shade that you need during the summer. And this is your other option. And now let's have a look at the third floor. And by the way, here on the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms. So let's go have a look at the third floor. And here we keep on going up on the concrete staircase. And here, look at the lighting we have right here. I must say that I haven't seen such a layout or design. This is the first time I've seen something like this. Everything is natural and yet at the same time very big. Like I said, 4,700 square feet. So like I said, nobody economized on the space here. You got a lot of surface area here. And here to our left, we have the bedroom that's on the 3rd floor. You can see for yourself, we got windows for 3 of the walls, so you got light coming in from all the sides. Of course, you know, you can put a different bed here, make a different interior design and decor, you know, whatever you like. But you know, just have a look. This is a very spacious bedroom. And of course, this bedroom also has its own terrace right here. Here you have little lamps, got your wooden roofing right here, and you see it here. And also right here, you have a view into the woods. And if you pay attention, right there far out, you can see the ocean. Oh, within 300 feet of me, there starts the beaches and the ocean. So you have a lot of restaurants and bars around you. And here before the house itself, have this canopy of greenery, these woods in front of you. So my friends, this is the house itself. From A to Z, it's up for sale. It's the Villa Malibu. It has a very original style, design, and layout. It is a one of a kind. I have never seen a property like this before here. And also have a look here. Here's the bathroom, toilet, shower, sink, everything you need. Of course, you got the wooden countertop. And I think that's just cool. And right near besides that, we got the washing laundry area. Here in this storage area will go your washing machine, your dryer, everything you need, and another terrace right here. Now let's touch the most important question. What is the price? So 4,736 square feet, all for 429,000 US dollars. So less than $100 and $90.50 per square foot. I believe this to be a very unique opportunity. You know from my previous videos that a house rarely goes for less than $200 per square foot here in Las Terrenas. And also I'd like for you to pay attention to our left. Here we have the Residency Nicole, which the residency is like our neighbors. And I did a video there too, but that's a totally different style with different prices per square foot. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Throw down a comment about how you like this place, the style, the uniqueness. You know, I want to hear your opinion. I'll also be thankful if you subscribe. And please hit the notification bell so you won't miss any information or videos that I'll post. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.